Our world is moving at speeds unprecedented through history, and technology is at the forefront of innovation. Television, video games, and telephones have changed so dramatically they are barely distinguishable from their original designs. Education, too, is surging forward. At the post-secondary level, more and more classes are taking place in digital environments, virtual classrooms, and online institutions. District 11 is offering you the opportunity to get ahead of the technological curve with Achieve K-12, the online learning school. Housed at the Irving Educational Center, Achieve K-12 features an elementary, middle, and high school where students are able to earn a full-fledged District 11 diploma. We offer a stimulating and intensive online curriculum that follows both the state standards and district guidelines. Our team of dedicated teachers is here to help you. Each staff member at Achieve K-12 has done their best to make sure they're right on the cutting edge of innovation, have familiarized themselves with new and progressive ways to make learning interesting and relevant to the 21st century.
I love my teachers. I wouldn't trade them for anything. They are the best. They come in, I come in. They help me with everything I need help with. They're always flexible on things that I need to redo, things that I don't understand. So I think that's one thing that I really like about Achieve is my teachers.
The relationship with the teachers, you know, it's really fun. I got to do like a pasta party activity. So I came here and got to do it. It was pretty exciting. And to have one-on-one time with each teacher.
At Achieve K-12, you also know you're dealing with real people, teachers who want you to succeed, rather than some disembodied programmer pushing a button in the middle of nowhere.
When you come here, you wouldn't expect like, oh, well, I don't see you guys every day, and I don't see you 8 hours a day. But it feels better knowing that they are there, because like if they're just a name on a screen, you don't really think, oh, well, what if they disagree with me? But when you're on Achieve and you just see their names and like it says respond to post, and you get like those positive responses of saying you're doing a good job, I like what you're saying, and then you meet them in person, you're like, oh, well, maybe we have some things in common.
Working with an online curriculum offers students the freedom to work at home and set their own schedules. Coursework is self-paced and self-advocating, perfect for juggling students' multiple responsibilities and lives. Students are also able to work at any time of the day, and our classes are set up with weekly instead of daily deadlines. Students are welcome to attend our unique learning labs. These non-traditional classrooms provide them the opportunity to receive further assistance from their teachers, as well as a chance to physically collaborate with their peers. We host monthly events with opportunities for college information and career planning. Achieve K-12 also offers electives and a space to participate in these electives, including a gymnasium, art room, and music class.
I like how everything's really pretty structured, but I still have a lot of free time and time to make my schedule work for all the different things that I do, and just how well it was planned out.
I take one class at a time and I don't combine them all into one day.
Achieve K-12 is a rigorous, challenging, and game-changing addition to District 11. With the world surging forward at sonic boom speeds, Achieve K-12 is here to help prepare you for a rapidly evolving world, for college, and for your future. Be on the forefront with Achieve K-12.